I bring you our last vacation vlog video. In today's video, we will be featuring different short activities of the day done together with me and more. So please do enjoy watching. So thank you so much for tuning in once again. Thank you guys. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger. To my returning subscribers, thank you for watching my video all those vacation vlog till this time. Now this is our roundup and this is the last video of our vacation in Croatia. Okay, our vacation vlog in Croatia. Now if you're wondering, Croatia, we've been for the past 1 week in Croatia having our vacation. If it's your first time, my name is Anniekrieger once again. I live in Austria, a professional practice chef. I love to share amazing recipes on this channel, home and abroad, and I also love to travel once in a while. Okay, I love to show my daily activities, daily routine once in a while on this channel also. Okay, so if this is what you love to see, or you love to see more about me, about my recipes, about other countries, get to know other countries through my recipes, through my meals, please stick around by subscribing to my channel. And also do not forget to hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified. Now today we are doing, I am sharing the roundup video, the roundup of vacation vlog with you in this video. My experience so far in Croatia. Now, if you're wondering where is Croatia, Croatia is a Middle Sea country, okay? And the neighboring countries are Slovenia, Hungary, Bosnian, Serbian, and Montenegro, I guess. Okay, they are amazing countries that you can have your holiday. Croatia is a very beautiful place and one of the most favorite Austrian and German holiday destination. Like if you come here, you think like you are in a German country because more like everybody is speaking German, even the service givers. Or okay, so everybody is just speaking German. It's more like if you go, what you will ask them here is, you speak English or German? The first to hear German, English too, but more like German. Their menu cards everywhere you go, it's also translated in German language over here. Okay, so I need to take something. Okay, in the morning, what I love to take first is my yogurt. We had our breakfast already. I will leave a video here on the screen playing so that this video don't get too bored. Okay, what we had for our breakfast. I've been lamenting not wanting to go for holiday in this year, but guys, my experience so far, we've had good side and bad side of this vacation. So you need to check that video out. Okay, I'll leave a link here in the up here on the screen. Please click and check it out. What's my experience so far? Now we are in apartments. I love to go for apartment because this enables me first. It enables me to wake up whenever I want to wake up, have my breakfast when I want to have it. It is perfect going for hotel where you just wake up, just take your bath, freshen up, and go for buffet. Everywhere is set for you. And also it is perfect in a hotel where you just step out before you come back. Your room is well cleaned and laid out, all that. But apartment is something that it's a thing of choice. You might decide. It's like, for me, I would say apartment is like Airbnb. Okay, so you need to take note of all those things should in case you are planning for vacation. Apartment is like Airbnb. One, it is a little bit more cheaper. Even if I don't agree, it's more cheaper because if you want to calculate the breakfast you will have in an hotel to the amount you will pay for Airbnb or apartment is more like similar. Okay, depending on the kind of apartment you are going for. I love to go for a very cleaned, well kept apartment. Sometimes I've had an apartment where there's a big kitchen where you can even make your lunch, but that's not what you want to have because I feel like vacation, you still want to enjoy yourself and not there to cook. But breakfast, having your breakfast here, I just love it because I don't want to wake up very early. And number two is a way of saving money. Now, if you are making your breakfast yourself, of course, it is more cheaper than you going for breakfast every morning. Okay. Now, of course, for lunch or for dinner, what we usually do, we have our breakfast because we don't wake up very early. So anytime we wake up around 10 to 11 we have our breakfast more like a brunch, okay, and that's just perfect. We just go out, have sightseeing, or one thing or the other, we are full, and then in the evening we go for our dinner. While hotel, it's a little bit expensive, where every other thing is done for you. So it's something that you just have to yes or no. But for me as a foodie, I don't care if it's apartment or hotel. Mostly I love apartment, because if I go for holidays, sometimes you just find out that even you going to eat, it might not be something that you really want to eat. Okay, you might be disappointed. And I love food, guys. I love food. Like what happened to me yesterday, we went to eat. I'll also leave the clip of the video here, guys. So we went to eat, and then we ordered for meal. The moment I entered the place, the ambience was looking good, but it wasn't that fresh for me. I'm a little bit picky some person, okay? So the ambience was very beautiful, but it wasn't that, the smell I want to have, I wasn't having it there, okay? So the first thing, I was discouraged already, but because we were sitting down already, they already asked us what would you want to drink and all that. Hobby was feeling just comfortable already, seeing the appearance, the kiwi. Okay, you will see the video here. He was just feeling so good. He loved the place. He was praising the place. So I could not say, "Mm-mm." Okay. So I had to look until I found something to order. But when they served me that meal, guys, the plating was not given. I'm in for plating. So the eyes eat along. So I was already discouraged. And one thing I didn't like about the thing is that it was a pork cutlet, different kinds of meat, chicken was there, but it was too porky for me. Okay, so in German we say es schweindet zu viel. Es hat richtig geschweindet, and I don't like it when it pokes too much, meaning the all what you smell is that raw smell of pork. Okay, raw smell of pork. That was not for me. I tried all kinds of protein that was on that plate, on this plate you see here. I didn't enjoy it. Okay, so I just had to, just leave it there. So what am I going to eat? And I'm not ready to give out another 30 euro for meal that evening. Okay, these are the things you have opportunity to do in an apartment. And what I did is just go out and get spaghetti. And just get spaghetti, and I just did fast spaghetti, guys. It was delicious. Okay, so that is the advantage of being in an apartment. If we were to be in an hotel, of course I will go and look for something else to eat. That will also cost me another money, which is actually not a problem, because when it comes to vacation, most people here, my husband, Austrians, they don't care about it. They tell you their savings is for vacation. They save for vacation. Okay, so that is it. They don't care the amount, not like they don't care. Okay, but mostly they tell you vacation is to have fun, is to relax, is not to start saving money, is to spend a little bit and feel comfortable. And I tried my best as an African woman. Okay, so I felt comfortable in this. Now this is me. One thing I love to do when it comes to holiday, I'm not the water type. I had one experience that I almost drowned inside water in this same sea here. We've been here before. In this same sea, we took a boat ride, and then they would drive to a certain place, and they would tell you to, jump into the water. You have to swim to another island, to a smaller, just a place to relax. And then it was shocking me. I had to jump inside. On my way, I could not swim further. I almost drowned. Thank God Hobby was with me. He has to back me out of that water. That is, ever since then, I don't joke with water, because I don't joke. I don't try it. Okay. Now, I think it's enough of lamenting. I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. What we will do now is Hobby bought some. We are living in a digital world, but my husband still believes in, the olden days life. Okay, he still believes in sending card and taking, everything that OGs. He still believe in OG's life. Okay, But so we are just going to do some posts. He believes in, sending greetings card of where you are at the moment to friends and family, going to US, going to Austrian back home, friends and family. He still believes in these guys. Unlike the world we are living today, where you just send, picture and, guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? What my husband is doing? What do you think about? Do you still? I don't think so. Okay, but let me know in the comment section. Do you still believe in sending card? Okay, a greeting card. Okay, do you still believe in sending greetings card, or you believe in digital words? Please leave your opinion in the comment section. Now, this greeting card brought back memory, guys, because the last time we did this was in Africa when my husband visited Africa. The first thing he needed to do the next day was to send greetings cards to his loved ones back to Europe and the US. So when he talked about greetings card this time, the memories was so fresh because I could vividly remember the kind of images on that greetings card on that day. Okay, so when he mentioned greetings card this time, I thought, are you kidding me? You could actually send pictures on order. No, he said no, he wants to send greetings card. Like, guys, I could not believe it. So of course, greetings cards does exist. Yes, okay. So that was me trying to get something like a souvenir, a face tag for my daughter because she saw the one I was putting on. She loved it and asked me to get her one too. The weather was very hot on those day, guys. So we had to stop by somewhere and just get something to drink. So I ordered for sex on the beach. Like, guys, this drink is wow, it tasted really, really good. Now when we left this place, we just had to go back to the apartment, change into something new, was ready to go to the beach. Now this is all we know how to do when it comes to holiday. Isn't holiday beautiful? Like, you just take care of yourself. It's just about you and nothing else. You go out, do what you want, have fun, enjoy yourself, and then yeah, you call it a day. Every day just like that. Okay, so you can imagine the feeling, the vibe, everything was just interesting. And this is me as usual, coming to the beach and just, feel the water and go back. Hobby keeps jumping in and out. Okay. So my story is, you already know why I'm not going into the water or go far. So that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy watching this video till this time. If you haven't hit the like button, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and like this video for me. It will go a long way. And I want to say thank you, a special thank you to you all for always coming back to watch my video. If this is your first time, once again, thank you for still watching till this time. If you want to see amazing recipes, okay, I post vlogs once in a while. On a good day, amazing, interesting recipes. So if you want to see all that in future, please stick around by subscribing to my channel, and also please do not forget to hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. It is time to get ready for dinner. You guys get ready with me. So my brush got broke. Let me go ahead and draw some back to eyebrow. Gave up my life. If I hear you laugh at me, if I hear any laughter, all these makeup profis, please don't laugh. This is me and how I do my makeup. I think this place, looking at this place is wrong. So not give me what I want. Now I pay the price. Scars of yesterday haunt me today. Was it all a dream? The twisted game seems no love. Oh love, where did you go? This perfume, I have one is Libre, and I have this I'm one person, I love perfumes. One time I love it, and then the next minute I say that's enough. Feel my hair like as if maybe I'm a robot. Nope. And mostly outside is so warm that you just don't want anything. And I didn't come with anything packer, And I just don't like this hop, this thing they usually tie up there. I just don't like it, and I don't want to stress my hair. I just don't want to stress my hair because tying and making different styles might affect my natural hair. I don't want to pull my hair. So this is me and my style. One I actually didn't plan for this hair. I wanted something very short, but the stylist didn't know, didn't ask, and then she bought this long one. A little bit uncomfortable, but what do? I'll leave it for now. A little bit uncomfortable. That's me. So, people who will laugh at me. I don't like the way I tied it today. It's not suiting. It's not giving. What do you think, guys? Should I leave my hair like this? Leave it like this. This hair is giving me headache. We are at our favorite restaurants while we wait for our dinner to be served. Guys, look at the sunset. It is wow. It's breathtaking. The ambience is beautiful. I said it earlier, I'm not one person who loves to focus my camera on people, making them feel uncomfortable. If not, I would have shown you what those place looks like. So sorry about that. Maybe I will adjust and find a way to do that next time. So all we ordered came, okay, his meal was served. He ordered first potato mangoes with fish and sauce and then some salad. Even if at the first I felt like this thing is no, the portion is not big enough for hobby, but he was just satisfied. And I ordered for risotto with the shrimps inside. Okay, small shrimps inside. This is one of the best risotto I've ever had with the parmesan. It tasted fantastic, and then the Norway lobster or langosta, everything was yummy. At this point, we'll call it a day on our vacation vlog for this year, maybe. Okay, so it's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this far. I hope you enjoyed to this point the hotel versus apartment gisting, the food, the highlights of the day, and the card posting of cards. Thank you all so much. Please do not forget to hit the like button, share with your loved ones. What is your highlight in this vlog? Let me know in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.